Hello, it's Sierra with WTI, and I have just stumbled upon something that has brightened up my whole life. The GE Cync Smart LED light bulbs. Trust me, these are not your average bulbs. They are a smart home essential. Setting up these bad boys is a breeze. You screw them in, connect the app, and voila. You've just stepped into the world of smart lighting. After you download the app, you can create a home where all your devices will be found, and you can name it whatever you like. I named mine Dream House. I also really think it's cute that you can add your own aesthetic, like how the homepage is going to look when you first open the app. Then you set up the lights. Super easy. You locate your devices. It will flash and tell you which light you're setting up. And they're compatible with your favorite voice assistants. Hey Google, turn on the desk lamp.
Okay, turning the desk lamp on.
Hey Google, turn on my lights.
Okay, turning on the lights.
Hey Google, set my lights to volcanic.
Setting 2 lights to volcanic.
So with this easy setup and endless possibilities, you'll have a smarter, more colorful living space. And that's my point of view.